Take the day off, guys. Take the day off. CompTIA Tech Plus Certified. CompTIA Network Plus Certified. And CompTIA Security Plus Certified, guys. All of them, I collect them, all of them, like if it was Pokemon cards. Easy, easy. I did the same simple thing that I've been telling you on all my videos that you have to do. The IT world only posts real solutions for everyone out there, for every single person that is out there watching my videos, for my one subscriber that is watching my videos. If you are staying here, subscribe right now immediately because I post real stuff, guys. Real stuff. And if you want to pass all these certifications, do what I do. And this is practice test. Practice. Practice. Practice, practice, practice. It's like you take a shot, you miss. You take another shot, you miss. But you keep shooting until eventually one is going to go in. One is going to go in. Your probabilities to make one increases by doing more. This is just simple facts. Simple facts based on analytics. Based on analytics, guys. The more you practice, the better you become. The more you practice, the better you become. This is simple, guys. This is simple. Simplicity. Simplicity. You don't have to spend hours and hours and hours watching all these videos that in reality is like, bro, none of the stuff is even on the test. Get the CompTIA objectives. Go directly into the CompTIA website. Go directly into the vendor that is providing you this certification. Get the objectives and focus only on that. Focus only on that. They're not going to tell you others, give you other questions that are not on their objectives. How are they going to put other stuff that these courses are selling you that they're putting that is not even on the CompTIA objectives? Focus on the CompTIA objectives. Focus directly from CompTIA. Go on to the manufacturer. They're the ones providing the certification. So focus on that. I guarantee you will pass. It's a guarantee. It's a guarantee because this method has been working for me. And not only for me, but for the greats. Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant. They all did the same thing. They practice. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 6 times, 100 times, 1,000 times, whatever times is necessary, but practice. You want to pass this search? You want to be better? The secret is that. Become certified like I did with just practice questions, guys.